Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by protecting your data and avoiding lockouts. First, backup apps, photos, and settings to Google Drive or a PC. Verify the backup finished. Once done, charge the phone to at least 50% and remove any micro SD card to prevent data loss. Next, sign out of your Google account and disable factory reset protection in accounts so you can set the device up again. Now, go to Settings System, Reset Options, to start the erase process immediately. You can reset via Settings or Recovery depending on access. If Settings is available, tap System, Reset Options, then erase all data. Confirm with your PIN or password and follow on-screen prompts. If Android is unresponsive, power down, then hold the correct power plus volume key combo for your model to enter recovery. Use volume keys to highlight wipe data / factory reset and the power key to confirm. This removes all user data and restores the stock software. Once the erase finishes, select Reboot System Now and let the device start. Setup will prompt you to restore from your backup, connect Wi-Fi, and sign in. Make sure to re-add your Google account, reinstall apps, and run system updates to patch vulnerabilities. If the phone won't boot or gets stuck in a boot loop, boot back to recovery and try Wipe Cache Partition first. If that fails, use your OEM recovery tool or contact support, because reflashing firmware may be required.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.